Buick Enclave. The Buick Enclave proudly bears the Made in America label, ensuring buyers of its exceptional domestic craftsmanship and commitment to supporting the local economy. This designation not only reflects Buick's long-standing tradition of American manufacturing but also guarantees the vehicle's adherence to stringent quality and safety standards. The Enclave offers an exceptional value for its class, providing a luxurious driving experience at an accessible price point. Its MSRP starts from the mid-$40,000s, making it highly competitive within the midsize SUV market. With its feature-rich interior, advanced technology, and impressive performance, the Enclave delivers an unparalleled level of value for your investment. Powering the Enclave is a robust 3.6-liter V6 engine that delivers an impressive 310 horsepower and 266 pounds-to-foot of torque. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, this powertrain provides smooth acceleration and responsive handling. The Enclave's all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction and stability in various road conditions, giving you confidence behind the wheel. Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 is proudly made in the United States, a testament to American craftsmanship and engineering prowess. Manufactured at General Motors' Spring Hill Assembly Plant in Tennessee, this SUV embodies the values of quality, durability, and innovation that have defined American manufacturing for generations. The Cadillac XT5 offers a competitive price point that makes luxury accessible. With a starting MSRP of around $45,000, it provides an exceptional value for those seeking a premium SUV without breaking the bank. Inside, the XT5 boasts a spacious and refined cabin. The high-quality materials, including genuine leather upholstery, create an opulent ambience. The user-friendly infotainment system, featuring a large touchscreen display, seamlessly integrates with smartphones and offers a host of connectivity options. Under the hood, the Cadillac XT5 delivers impressive performance. The standard 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine produces 235 horsepower and 258 pounds-to-foot of torque, providing ample power for daily driving. Chevrolet Traverse. The Chevrolet Traverse is proudly manufactured in the United States at the Lansing Grand River Assembly Plant in Michigan. This fact not only supports American jobs and the economy but also ensures that the vehicle meets strict quality and safety standards set by the U.S. government. The Traverse offers a competitive price point within the midsize SUV segment. The base trim level, the LS, starts at around $35,000. While the top-of-the-line high country trim can reach around $55,000. With a range of trim levels and options, buyers can find a Traverse that fits both their budget and needs. The Traverse's interior is spacious and well-appointed, with seating for up to 8 passengers. The cabin features high-quality materials, including leather upholstery on higher trim levels. The seats are comfortable and supportive, and the second-row captain's chairs provide ample legroom. The Traverse also offers a generous amount of cargo space, making it ideal for families and those who need to transport large items. The Traverse comes with a choice of 2 engines, a 3.6-liter V6 or a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. Ford Explorer. The Ford Explorer proudly carries the Made in America label, boasting a heritage of American craftsmanship and engineering. Manufactured in Chicago, Illinois, and Louisville, Kentucky, the Explorer contributes to the domestic economy and supports local jobs. Its American origins instill a sense of pride and trust in consumers who value products made within their own borders. The Ford Explorer offers a wide range of trim levels and configurations, providing buyers with a variety of price options. From the base model to the luxurious platinum trim, the Explorer accommodates different budgets. Its competitive pricing makes it an attractive choice in the midsize SUV segment, balancing affordability with ample features and amenities. The Explorer's interior is designed with functionality and comfort in mind. Its spacious cabin offers ample room for up to 7 passengers, ensuring a comfortable ride for all occupants. GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is proudly designed and assembled in the United States at the Lansing Grand River Assembly Plant in Michigan. This American-made vehicle is a testament to the skill and craftsmanship of American workers. By choosing the Acadia, you not only get a high-quality SUV, but you also support the American economy and create jobs within the country. The GMC Acadia offers exceptional value for your money. With a starting price around $34,000, the Acadia is competitively priced against its competitors. However, it doesn't sacrifice quality or features to achieve this affordability. The GMC Acadia boasts a spacious and well-appointed interior. The seats are comfortable and supportive, even on long journeys. The cabin is well insulated, providing a quiet and refined driving experience. The Acadia comes with a user-friendly infotainment system, which features a large touchscreen display and Apple CarPlay/Android Auto integration. The GMC Acadia offers a refined driving experience, with a choice of two powerful engines. Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee proudly holds the distinction of being manufactured in the United States. Assembled at the Jefferson North Assembly Plant in Detroit, Michigan, this iconic SUV embodies the spirit of American craftsmanship and innovation. Its production in the heart of the automotive industry underscores Jeep's commitment to domestic manufacturing and its dedication to providing drivers with a vehicle that reflects the values of its home country. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers a competitive price point that aligns well with its segment. With a starting MSRP of around $39,000, it provides excellent value for buyers who seek a premium SUV without breaking the bank. Its various trim levels offer a range of amenities and capabilities, allowing shoppers to tailor their vehicle to their specific needs and budget. Under the hood, the Jeep Grand Cherokee delivers impressive performance. A range of powerful engine options, including a 3.6-liter V6 and a 5.7-liter V8, provide ample power to tackle any terrain. Its renowned 4x4 capabilities, paired with advanced suspension systems, ensure exceptional handling both on and off-road. Whether navigating city streets or traversing rugged trails, the Grand Cherokee delivers a confident and exhilarating driving experience. Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator stands as a testament to American craftsmanship. Built in Louisville, Kentucky, this iconic vehicle embodies the spirit of innovation and excellence that has defined the automotive industry in the United States. Every Navigator is meticulously crafted with the highest attention to detail, ensuring the highest standards of quality and reliability. By choosing the Navigator, you are not only investing in a premium luxury SUV, but also supporting American manufacturing and the legacy of American automotive prowess. The Lincoln Navigator offers exceptional value for its class. With a starting price that is competitive with its luxury SUV counterparts, it provides an unmatched combination of features, performance, and prestige. The Navigator's generous standard equipment list ensures that every driver enjoys a luxurious and well-appointed cabin. However, with a range of available options and trims, buyers can customize their Navigator to suit their individual preferences and budget, creating a truly bespoke luxury experience. The interior of the Lincoln Navigator is a sanctuary of comfort and elegance.